Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure set, and in today's video we will see what happens when we apply comparison operators and relational operators to set. Let's start. In the first cell we have created asset and S9. Asset contain 10, 20, 30, 40. S9 contain 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45. By seeing set asset and S9 both are not equal. If you run asset is equivalent to S9, it will result in a false value. If both the set contain equal number of elements which are same, then asset is equivalent to S9 will return a value true. Click on the cell, run the cell. It has outputted 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Run the cell again, run the cell again. You see the output true. Vice versa, in the case if both the element contain same number of elements which are equal, then asset not equal to S9 will be false. Otherwise, this condition will be true. Okay. Now proper subset, if the first set contain less number of elements than the second set, but all the elements of first set are present in the second set, then you say that the first set is a proper subset of second set. For example, in this case, asset contain 10, 20, 30, 40. S9 contain 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Asset proper subset of S9. In this case, the condition will be true, therefore output will be true. Now what happens if you remove this 30 and make it 3, click on the cell, run the cell, check whether asset is a proper subset of S9, then the condition will be false, because all the element of the first set should be present in the second set and the second set should be larger, then it is a proper subset. Improper subset, the second condition that the second set should be larger is not required. Means if you have asset 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, S9 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and you are checking whether asset is improper subset of S9, you will use asset less than equal to S9. This will give you a output true. If there is any violation in both the condition, the output of asset less than equal to S9 will be false. Proper superset, reverse of subset is superset. Here the first set should contain larger number of elements and second set should contain lesser number of elements, and all the elements of the second set should be present in the first set. So if you have first set containing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and second set as 10, 20, 30, 40, then in that case asset greater than S9 will the condition will be true. Asset greater than S9, it will output true. If any of the condition is violated, the output will be false. Asset greater than S9. Improper subset, while it doesn't require the second condition, the first condition that asset should contain larger, first set should contain larger number of elements. If both the set contain same number of elements and the second set is completely present in the first set, member of second set are completely present in the first set, you can say first set is a improper superset of the second set, written as greater than equal to. Greater than, therefore superset, less than, therefore subset. Greater than equal to, then improper superset, less than equal to improper subset. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.